Now what is lone pair? So if you considered NH3, so this is the formation nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 combined with 3 hydrogen 1, 2 and 3. So here they mutual share with their electrons, but this one not take part in the sharing. So this is lone pair. What about oxygen? Water, oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hydrogen 1, here also hydrogen 1, 2 atoms of hydrogen. So here they combined, here they combined, but here they are not taking part in mutual sharing. So these are lone pair. These are known as lone pair. Now one more thing about carbon tetrachloride CCl4. Okay, carbon tetrachloride. So carbon tetrachloride is polar in nature, but carbon with 4 chlorine. So chlorine atom is bigger than carbon. Carbon 2 cell and chlorine 3 cells. So why it is polar? It is polar because the geometrical figure, you can say the geometrical figure, everywhere the chlorine is there, but attract or repel it is same distance. By the geometrical figure you can say, there is no any concept about this, only a geometrical figure. If suppose it is C, in place of chlorine, if it is hydrogen is there, so both chlorine and here chlorine attract, because hydrogen is less than chlorine, electronegativity less, so hydrogen some goes slightly this way, here hydrogen go. So by the geometrical figure you can understand this is polar or non-polar. Okay, and one more concept is there, that is the tricks how you find is a polar or non-polar. So for this you have to learn a formula, Von caliber, FON, chlorine bromine, Von caliber, ISC and hydrogen. So fluorine is the highest electronegativity and hydrogen is the less electronegativity. If you consider chlorine and hydrogen, carbon and hydrogen, so they are at least negligible. Okay, that's why CH4, that is non-polar in nature. Okay, but if you consider CCl, so it is very big difference between them. So maybe it is polar, but due to the geometrical figure, when you draw the structure, you can easily understand that geometrical figures is same for everyone. This chlorine, this chlorine, this chlorine, this chlorine attract carbon towards their self with same energy. So it's become polar. Okay, so you have to learn this table. It is very easy for you to understand how you find that it is polar and non-polar. Okay, what about hydrogen, water, hydrogen, H2O, so water, oxygen, here 2 hydrogen, but here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the oxygen atom and this is the hydrogen atom. Oxygen is here and hydrogen is here. So their electronegativity is very large difference. So it's become some slightly negative charge and positive charge.